এটা খুব easy sum. Okay, this is ZAT 2024, okay, which happened in January. So 41 applicants, একটুখানি just 2 minute read করো. মা ফোন করেছে তোমার. ঠিক আছে রিতমা, তোমার যখন ড্রপ করার থাকবে তুমি ড্রপ করে যাও, ঠিক আছে?
ওকে স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, আমাদের হয়ে 2 পিস এক্সট্রা চিকেন খেও কিন্তু।
একদম স্যার, আমি তো চিকেন খাওয়ার প্ল্যানেই আছি, রুটি ফুটি খাবো না।
ঠিক আছে, দেখো 41 applicants have been shortlisted for interviews for some data analysis positions, ঠিক আছে? Some of the applicants have advanced expertise in one or more fields among the following, ঠিক আছে? Data analysis, data handling, data coding, and that. The number of applicants with different advanced expertise are given in the 2x8 table. So this is a ZDI and it is easy. It is easier than CAT-DI. The number of applicants with advanced expertise in all three fields is given in X, given as X in the table, where X is a non-negative integer. So you see, very simple. So what is the field number of candidates with advanced expertise? Data analysis 12. So that means what? There are 12 people who have expertise in data analysis. Okay, database handling, there are 5 people who have expertise in database handling. Coding 7, that means what? There are 7 people who have who have expertise in coding. Data analysis and database handling means what? There are 2 people who have expertise in data analysis and database handling. Okay. 3 means what? Database handling and coding, that means there are 3 people who have expertise in database handling and coding. Okay, data analysis and coding means what? There are 6 people who have expertise in data analysis and coding. All 3 is X. Now the question is, what can be best concluded about the value of X? Now the question is, how many applicants are there? 41 applicants are there. Okay, now see, the most common mistake that you might make is that you might think that 41 people is covered up in all this data. Okay, so the mistake that I made in the beginning was to do it in this way: n of A union B union C, right? That gave
হ্যাঁ
me,
স্যার, আমিও এটা করতে যাচ্ছিলাম, তারপরে আমি রিয়েলাইজ করলাম যে 41টা গোটা নয়।
হ্যাঁ, n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B, okay, minus n of B intersection C, okay, minus n of, তুমি যদি থেকে যাও তোমাকে আরো ইন্টারেস্টিং জিনিস আমি শেখাবো আর কি। হ্যাঁ, n of A intersection B,
বললেন স্যার।
আমি বললাম তুমি যদি থেকে যাও তোমাকে আরো এরকম ইন্টারেস্টিং জিনিস শেখাবো আর কি। n of A plus n of B plus
স্যার
n of C
আপনি লালাচ দিচ্ছেন।
মাইনাস n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C, ঠিক আছে? এইটা এইটা ইমপ্লিমেন্ট করাটা হচ্ছে সবথেকে কমন এখানে। Okay, where you will take n of A union B union C as 41, but this is a complete blunder, because here it has not been said that 41 people is covered up in all these things. I mean, there are people who actually do not fall in any of this category. তাই জন্য আমি এই জিনিসটা করতে পারবো না। I cannot use A union B union C. If all the people were covered up in this, in all these numbers, then I could have done n of A union B union C as 41. Okay, but it is not the case. তো এখানে কি করতে হবে? See, data analysis is 12. Now see, here is the trick. So here we have to actually do it with the help of Venn diagram. Okay, this is one particular problem which can only be solved if you know Venn diagrams very nicely. Okay, now you see say this is data handling, this is data data analysis, and this is coding. Okay, now data analysis is 12. Okay, data analysis is 12, database handling is how many? 5. Okay, coding is 7. Okay, data analysis and database handling is 2. Data analysis and database handling is 2. That means this whole thing is 2. This whole thing is 2. Mone rakbe, data analysis and database handling, this whole thing is 2. That means this intersection portion, ঠিক আছে, এই পোর্শনটা। Okay, now database handling and coding, database handling and coding, this portion is how much? 3. So that means this portion 3. Okay, next data analysis and coding, data analysis and coding, this portion, okay, that is 6. This thing is 6. Okay, and all 3 is x, that means this portion is x. This whole thing is 41. So now this is the game. Okay, now I have to find out what is the value of x. Fine, you see what is only, let us see what is only data handling. Only data handling is going to be 5 minus, ঠিক আছে, 2 plus 3, right? So what I'm doing, I'm from this entire box, from this entire this circle 5, I'm subtracting 2 and 3, but when I'm taking 2 and 3 together, then x is coming twice, so I'll add x once, তাই তো? এই যে 2 এর মধ্যে একবার x ঢুকে আছে, 3 এর মধ্যে একবার x ঢুকে আছে, তাহলে আমি একবার x মাইনাস করে দেব, তাহলে কত আসছে x। ওকে, only data analysis, so that is again 12 minus 2 plus 6, okay, plus x, so that is going to be 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus x, right? Only coding is going to be 7 minus, okay, that is going to be 6 plus 3 and then plus x, so this is going to be what? 6 plus 3 9, so that is going to be x minus 2, right? Now the question is, what is the best value of x? What can be the best value of x? See, here only data handling is x, here data handling is 4 plus x, and here coding is x minus 2. That means the minimum value of coding can be 0, and that can only happen when x is 2. This is the smallest that the x can go. X can go to the lowest of 2, ঠিক আছে, 2 এর থেকে কম গিয়ে নেগেটিভ হয়ে যাবে, but it is not possible to get negative number of people in coding. So that means what can be the value of x? 2. Understood, Ritama?
Yes, sir, understood.
2. So now the rest can be done very easily. There is only one more question. How many applicants did not have advanced expertise in any of the field? Here is the thing which specifies that 41 is not everything. Okay, so once we have x equals to 2, so now we can find out the union of all of them. Okay, so that means 5 plus 12 plus 7 minus the intersection parts, intersection is 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus the value of x, that is 2. Okay, so that is 12 plus 5 is 7 is 24, minus 6 plus 2 is 8, 11 plus 2, so that is 26, minus 11, so that is 15. Okay, so 41 minus 15 is going to be 26. Okay, বুঝতে পেরেছো রিতমা?
Yes, sir.
আজকে ডিআইতে এটাই আছে।